Hello, awesome viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss what is the difference between for each, for in, and for of loop in JavaScript. Okay, for that, guys, let us take one array. We'll take an array. We'll just write array as A. Let us write array as 1, 2, and 3. In order to loop into this particular array, we use for of loop. For that, we'll just write for array item of A. And we'll just write here console.log of array item. If we just run this, we'll get 1, 2, and 3. Now, let us create an object. Okay, let us write employee. So employee will have a serial number 1, comma. So employee name, let's write Azhar, comma. What is the role of a employee? Let's say he is a QA. Okay. Now, if I want to run loop into this, I can just write for in loop. So it is just like key value pair, right? So let key in employee. Now you can loop into the key console.log employee of key. Now if I run this, see, this is use of for of, so loop into an array. This is the use of for in to loop into an object. So for each can be used for this scenario also and this scenario also. Okay. So now, in order to use that, we just have to write a. We can use a dot for each. We can write function. Function will take input as an item. Now console.log of an item. So if I just comment this and if I just run the output, you'll get 1, 2, 3. Just like this, we can also use for each loop for in. Let me comment this also. I'll write here object dot. So we use object dot values of what? Of an employee dot for each value. I'll use an array function. Inside this array function, console.log of value. So if I just run this, you'll get the values of for in. So for each can also be used in for in scenario and also for each scenario. Hope you like the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.